Gretchen, what's your favorite treat in the whole wide world? What is it? Is it a little circle thing with little meaty stuff in it? Yeah? Do you love it? Does it make you happy? And more importantly, does it keep you from eating my shoes? And my bra? And the curtains? And the couch? What do you think? Binky, did she steal your little rawhide thingy? Because you have nothing. Don't let her bully you, okay? Look at me. Don't let her bully you. She's sort of bossy and not quite as delicate as you are. So I can see that you're sort of drooling here. Aww. I'm feeling bad. Gretchen, give her your bone. You're making Binky sad. Aww. Aw, okay, fine. Okay, I'll go get you one, okay? I love you. Yeah, I do. Look at. Look at. She's here. Look at. Come here. Come here, Binky. Look at the bone. Oh, the bone. It's free. Get it. You can do it. Get it. Okay? It's all yours, little girl.